Okay, the first thing that we do is we list the files in our directory. Then we run the script listing for underscore for.py. Then what Alice does is that she basically generates both her private key and her public key. So she puts her private key in Alice private key.txt and her public key in public key.txt. And this is what her private key looks like. And this is what her public key looks like. So she basically takes the public key and she makes it public so that Bob can basically use it and send her encrypted messages. Now Bob, what he does is that he uses basically the same program listing for underscore for.py, and he first loads the public key that he got from Alice. Since it's public, everybody knows it, so you can just use the public key.txt file. Then he loads the public key file, then he will encrypt messages with it, right? And in this case, the message that he sends to Alice is, "Hello Alice, this is Bob. How are you?" Now he copies the ciphertext and he sends it to Alice. Now Alice, what she does is that she uses her private key, right, that she stored previously in the file alice private key.txt. And she pastes the ciphertext that she received from Bob to decrypt the message. And as you can see, she has successfully decrypted the message. It says, "Hello Alice, this is Bob, how are you?" So she quits out.